In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do mobile optimization for pages in Hostinger Website Builder. If you want your website to look clean and professional on a phone, this process is very important. A page that looks great on desktop can sometimes appear too crowded, too small, or slightly misaligned on mobile. The good news is that Hostinger Website Builder makes it very simple to check and improve how your page appears on smaller screens. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your website and click on Website. This will take you to the area where you can manage and edit your site. Next, click Edit Website. This opens the Website Builder, where you can make visual changes to your page layout, text, images, and other design elements. Give it a moment to load fully so you can clearly see everything before making adjustments. When you're inside the editor, go to the top of the screen and click Mobile. This switches your view from the desktop version of the site to the mobile version. That way, you can preview how visitors will experience your page on a smartphone. This is the most important part of mobile optimization because it helps you spot anything that feels too large, too small, or out of place. Now you can freely edit the elements you see on the page. For example, you can adjust the text if it feels too cramped or too large for a smaller screen. Try to make sure the text is easy to read without overwhelming the layout. You can also make the logo bigger if it looks too small on mobile. The goal here is to improve visibility and balance so everything feels polished and easy to navigate on a phone. As you make these changes, take a moment to visually review the page. Look at the spacing, alignment, and general readability. Mobile users scroll differently than desktop users, so keeping things clear and well-sized can make a big difference in the overall experience. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with the mobile version, click Update Website. This saves and publishes your changes so the optimized version is live. And that's it. That's how to do mobile optimization for pages in Hostinger Website Builder. It's a quick process, but it can have a big impact on how professional and user-friendly your website feels on mobile devices.